And there was a bolt right here, and I think that's the stock ground for the alternator. So I'm gonna sand it down a little bit more and then ground that, and then we can start testing out the connections.
No power to headlight, tail lights.
I gotta get a good ground. You can let go.
I can't even see me. I'm covered in money, these bitches, these niggas, they always so for me, I'm covered in money.
Alright guys, I might look a little rough, but been working all day. We got our grounds fixed. You can see right here how I rerouted that ground, and we added it to our switch ground. So everything grounds out there. We also installed our gauge pods and our gauges. This airbag cover pops in and out. And now our wires are easily accessible, so we can check those inline fuses, or if anything happens, we can figure out what wire is which, because they're all labeled. Alright, so this is the ECU switch, fuel, lights, and fan, which is I don't have yet, but it's main power switch. When I hit lights, the gauges should not turn on because I don't have main power on. So gauge is not on. Fuel should not prime. See, no priming of the fuel. Alright, so now we hit main power. Nothing should happen. That should just have main power on. You shouldn't hear anything. So now we have main power on, ECU, fuel, let's hear it prime. So that works. And now lights. Let's see these gauges. Look at that. I'm gonna flip a fuel and lights and then kill main power. If anything happens and it's a quick shut off, instead of turning the key, I just hit that main power, so I'll show you now. And that kills everything, and then you could turn these on, main power back on, and then whatever you need to have on, turn on.